Wagwan OJ Merge.
Wagwan.
OJ there again, for another vlog again, you know what's going on. Yeah, just a check in with you guys, see what really take place, and give you guys some updates. You guys have been around for a long while, and we kind of take a little break, as I always mention. We're back again, so it work out.
For sure, we back.
Okay, so today I want to ask Jay some question. Well, today I want to ask Jay some question, and she probably want to ask me some question, right? As I said, you guys been around from the first time we married, and we got married like 6 years plus ago, almost 7 years. Well, you can't call it 7 years, but I know we got married 7 years ago. So what I want to ask you as one of the first questions is, being in the beginning stages, I know that probably the stereotype them come against the Jamaican man, right? I know he is. I know he does operate. But after being married for 7 years, do you think those stereotypes really exist or not?
No, I will say that there's always exceptions to the rules, right? I do think that where there's stereotypes, it comes from some type of historical data, meaning stereotypes don't just fall out the air, right? Okay. Black people do love chicken, black people do love watermelon, but not all of them. I think that generally speaking, we have to be careful to put blanket statements on each other.
About serious man, bomba crap, man. You see that film, man? When I tell you that already, come on, let's go in the room and lock the door, man.
I think that back then we highlighted certain stereotypes like unfaithfulness, controlling, womanizer, things along those lines. And I definitely just like to think that we can't blanket statement everything. And I can definitely say that more so now, having been married to you for longer, because back then it was kind of like, okay, I'm walking into this, I don't really know what to expect. Okay. There's a lot of chatter, but now the chatter can be quiet when you have your own lived experience. And my lived experience is that no, not all Jamaican men fall into the typical stereotype. Everyone is different.
So that means to say then, well then, boy, a woman can find a nice Jamaican boyfriend and married to him and have a nice Jamaican husband and life is right?
Yes, girl. You can find you a nice Jamaican man who loves you, adores you, lives for you, protect you, take care of you, provide for you, girl. That's a real thing. And be faithful to you.
Because my thing is this, all the time we hear some of the women them meet some Jamaican man, them always say, boy, the Jamaican man them wild. And they have the American, oh he ain't shit, shit, things like those. And you say to yourself, so, boy, I wonder why them say that. I wonder this and that. And that don't go for every Jamaican man, because some of we are good man, some of we are good people at the end of the day. Majority of we are matter of fact, right, my Jamaican brothers? Good. Majority of at the end of the day are good people and good man at the end of the day and good woman on the woman them side. Well, that's good. So, for me, do you have any question that you want to ask me?
Sure.
One for one.
Okay, one for one. So, I do feel like Jamaican men come with their own preconceived notions when dating an American woman. So, what of those have been either proven true for you or proven not true?
Alright, I'm gonna be honest. When it comes down to American woman, I always say them couldn't cook. There is something in my spirit that I always tell me say, American woman can't cook.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna tell you why, right?
The southern women are shaking in their boots, boots right now.
Not all of them, because some of them might still can't cook.
So where are we going with this?
Alright, let me say this. Never change that up. Why? Because Jay a chef, and I think that she learned a lot from me as well. That is a man where you know, cook a lot of different things. As you can go up on my channel and see, say, you know, more time hook it up. But I used to have this preconceived notion that American woman really and truly can't cook. But I have to take that back because I see my wife I cook these days and sometimes I have to wonder, say, wait, what really happen? Because she cook some food and you used to have your little things when you cook, you know, from the American side. But now I see a crossover in the Jamaican cooking by just seeing me do some things, and me amazed more time because for one, me is a soup lover. Me is a man love soup. It no matter what kind of soup. Beef soup, chicken soup, goat soup. It no matter what kind of soup at the end of the day. Me is a man who just love soup. I mean, not trust nobody for boil my soup, you know, because me is a man who want my soup a certain type of way. I want a little spinach dumpling in it. I want a little bit of turnip, me Irish cut up nice, me carrot and all of them something in my soup, you know, and me not used to them things there from an American woman. But with Jane at the end of the day, she said me do my thing. When she boil soup, me have to wonder, say, no man, it come like she boil soup better than me now, man, and all of them things, man. You know, she dangerous. Brown stew chicken, it get away now. Till me I say to myself, no man, it look like so well then boy, she have a touch. But me know say, and every woman that advance, a woman willing to learn. So, when me say, the stereotype between American woman, you know, me used to think them couldn't cook. I think they just need to show them. If you're a Jamaican man and you want them to cook something specific, because they have their own meal with them cooking up. Some of them. I still believe that there might be one or few who really can't boil egg or boil water same way. But at the same time, I must say, kudos to the American woman. You guys are, you know, you ladies are cooking. I must say that.
Thank you.
Yes.
So, how has going on 7 years of marriage now, you being a Jamaican man, being married to an American woman, how has that been?
Well,
in all honesty.
sometimes I forget say he's an American woman. So after 7 years of marriage, sometimes I forget, to be honest with you, that, you know, I'm married to an American woman. Why? I think love and loving, and I think, you know, when two people come together and, you know, coexist and I try to make it work and, you know, pull them own share weight in the relationship and, you know, take care of family and, you know, have a child together, which, you know, Kingston. So we have Kingston together, and, you know, we used to vlog. Kingston was a baby, a big boy now, but, you know, that's one of them things. I think that kind of, you know, group it in. So to be honest with your mama, is like, I don't see the big problem between two people from two different culture merging together,
right,
and having a beautiful marriage, having a beautiful relationship. No problem I go there, trouble I go there, people are going.
I was just about to say, we are not here to act like a Stepford family.
No.
Marriage is not perfect.
And as I say again, we have some argument for now. We have some
some
things we tell you at the end of the day. We keep
no violence though.
We keep certain things for upload another time. But as I say again, in all and all, we're supposed to can work out the differences, and when things happen at the end of the day, regardless of which side of the fence it goes from. You know, we can sit down and have conversation about certain things and come to a mutual agreement and just know, so well then, why are we here in the first place? We are here in the first place to, you know, join and take care of each other, make sure that, you know, put each other's interests first, and just know that no matter where you're from and where she's from at the end of the day, you know, giant cultures, you know, y'all take away things that are good from, you know, each other's culture, and you put that in the boiling pot. Anything negative or anything outside, you keep it outside. And sometimes we have to be careful to other things that are said about, you know, things that are said by the people that are outside of the marriage or the relationship. Very careful. You know, you can listen, but, you know, you just got to make sure that you do your own analysis and you draw your own decision and conclusion when certain things come down to it, because it's what's best for the marriage.
You need an internal self-filter to filter out what's useful and helpful for the marriage and just what's destructive to it.
Yeah.
Everybody got an opinion, everybody has an experience, and people are going to share that with you. But you got to hone your self-awareness, your discernment, and you got to be able to think for yourself. What are your goals? What are you wanting to do in life? What's going to make you happy? If you're living for other people, listen to them all day long and let them